In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to map your OneDrive as a network drive in Windows. We'll walk through the process step by step, keep it simple, and make sure you understand what each action does so you know exactly why it works. Start by opening your Microsoft 365 homepage in your browser. On the left side, you'll see a small grid of 9 dots, often called the App Launcher. Click that to open the list of available apps. From there, choose OneDrive. Give it a moment to load fully. You might see a spinner or brief delay as your files sync and the page prepares. Don't rush this part. Waiting ensures everything you need appears correctly. Once OneDrive is open, go to the Files section. This view shows your folders and documents, and importantly, it updates the page address to reflect where you are. Look up at your browser's address bar. You'll notice a long web address. In that URL, there's a unique sequence, usually a long string of numbers and letters, that identifies your storage location. Carefully highlight and copy that number. Precision matters here, so make sure you capture the full sequence without any extra spaces. Now switch to Windows. Open File Explorer and navigate to this PC. At the top of the window, select the 3 dots to open the More Options menu. From the drop-down, click Map Network Drive. This opens the tool that lets Windows treat an online location like a local drive, making it easy to access your files from Explorer. In the Map Network Drive window, find the folder field, click inside it, and paste the numbers you copied from the OneDrive URL. Make sure there are no extra characters before or after the sequence. Clean input prevents connection errors. If you're offered a drive letter, you can leave the default or choose another letter you prefer. The letter is just how it will appear in this PC. When everything looks right, click Finish. Windows will attempt to connect using that unique identifier and set up the mapped location. After a moment, you should see the new drive appear in File Explorer under this PC, ready to use like any other drive. If you notice a brief delay, that's normal while the connection initializes. A quick tip: if the mapping doesn't appear immediately, refresh File Explorer or close and reopen it. Ensure you're connected to the internet and that you pasted the exact identifier from the URL. Once it's set up, you'll have fast, familiar access to your OneDrive